Welcome to Tech QA. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing common interview questions you may encounter when applying for Playwright automation testing positions. We'll also provide detailed answers and tips to help you ace your next interview. Question 1. What is Playwright and how does it differ from other automation testing frameworks? Playwright is a powerful open-source automation testing framework developed by Microsoft. It allows you to automate web applications across multiple browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. What sets Playwright apart is its ability to handle multiple browser contexts, parallel execution, and support for mobile devices, making it a versatile choice for cross-browser testing. Question 2. How do you handle authentication pop-ups in Playwright? To handle authentication pop-ups in Playwright, we can use the setTTP credentials method. This method allows us to provide the username and password for authentication. Additionally, we can use the setDefaultNavigationTimeout method to set a longer timeout value to ensure the authentication process completes successfully. Question 3. How do you handle waiting for elements in Playwright? Playwright provides several methods for element waiting, such as wait for selector, wait for function, and wait for event. These methods allow us to wait for specific conditions, like an element's presence, visibility, or custom conditions. By utilizing these methods, we can ensure our tests wait for elements to be ready before performing actions or assertions. Question 4. How do you handle browser-specific configurations in Playwright? Playwright allows us to customize browser configurations using the launch method options. We can set preferences like user agent, proxy, and viewport size specific to each browser. Additionally, Playwright provides the context feature, enabling us to create separate browser contexts with different configurations, such as cookies or storage settings. Question 5. How do you handle file uploads in Playwright? To handle file uploads in Playwright, we can use the setInputFiles method. This method allows us to set the value of a file input element with the path to the file we want to upload. By simulating a user interacting with the file input element, we can automate file uploads in Playwright. Question 6. What are the advantages of using Playwright over Selenium? Playwright provides a more modern and robust approach to automation testing compared to Selenium. It supports multiple browsers out of the box, has better performance and reliability, and offers powerful features like automatic waiting, parallel execution, and direct access to browser APIs. Playwright's cross-browser capabilities and ease of use make it a compelling choice for automation testing. Question 7. How do you handle browser cookies in Playwright? Playwright allows us to manipulate cookies using the setCookies and deleteCookies methods. We can add new cookies, modify existing ones, or delete cookies based on our testing needs. This flexibility enables us to test scenarios involving different cookie states and ensure the proper functioning of our applications. Question 8. How do you handle geolocation in Playwright? Playwright allows us to map geolocation information using the setGeolocation method. By specifying latitude and longitude coordinates, we can simulate different geolocation scenarios during our tests. This feature enables us to verify the behavior of location-dependent functionalities in our applications. Question 9. What strategies do you use for test data management in Playwright? In Playwright, we can use various approaches for test data management. One common strategy is to utilize test data files, such as JSON or CSV, that contain input data for our tests. We can read these files during test execution and use the data to drive our test scenarios. Additionally, Playwright integrates well with test data generation libraries, allowing us to generate dynamic test data on the fly. Question 10. How do you handle browser alerts and prompts in Playwright? Playwright provides methods like accept, dismiss, and type to handle browser alerts and prompts. We can accept or dismiss alerts and interact with prompts by providing input values. By using these methods appropriately, we can automate the handling of various types of browser dialogues during our tests. Conclusion. That wraps up our discussion on common Playwright automation testing interview questions. We've covered topics like Playwright's unique features, handling authentication pop-ups, element waiting, and browser-specific configurations. Remember, practice and hands-on experience are essential to excel in automation testing interviews. Stay curious, keep learning, and best of luck in your future interviews. Note, feel free to customize the questions and answers based on your knowledge and experience. This script serves as a starting point, and you can expand or modify it as needed for your video. Thanks for watching.